Welcome back to Filthy Fishing. Today we are fishing in the river, looking for a decent grunter and a couple of leerie. So far I've got a few bloodworm, I've still got to get mullet and mud prawn. The plan is to do a bit of drifting and trolling, hopefully some fishing coming. Got a fish on here, very quick take as well. I don't know what it is. It's a stumpy. There we go, we've got a license for the day. Little stumpy that has started there, off he goes. We're on. Nice take. Tiny little steamer. That's a little grunter. That's a little grunter. Oh, he's just shat all over me, that chop. There we go. First grunter of the morning. Going a bit wild. There he goes. There we go. Live bait has worked. It's been a good start to the morning so far. We've got a Steenbras, Grunter and a leerie so far. Oh, haven't landed the leerie just yet, and these things are notorious for getting off. Lovely little leerie. Tiny little one. Nice to see them. Off he goes. Just waiting for this larvae to get eaten, but if it didn't get eaten in the next 200 meters, we're going to pull up at the next bank, put a bloodworm out, see if we can maybe catch a decent grunter. There are literally cuttlefish all over this river. Now let's go. Ugh. Bloody cuttlefish. Another cuttlefish, except I think of. There we go. We're on with the mermaid's tail. Little Garrick. Absolutely smacked the mermaid's tail, jeepers. Make sure I don't break any rods here. Oh, good thing I got him in. Okay. Like a little leerie. And check what he smacks. Awesome little leery. So much fun catching on artificial wire. Get that release. Off he goes. Leery follow. Ah, I'm sure I'm gonna have. Oh my word. How's that? Off. Yeah, so we drifted all the way down here. We've got a larvae out the back. Gonna get rid of some mud prawns. And let's see what we got coming. This is a nice fish. Mud prawn. Oh my word, I've dropped it. Hook has just come out. That is devastating. Little grunter. In the corner of his mouth, he's taking a bit of a dump on me. Little 360 on the way out. We're on with a decent fish, yeah. I think this might be a cob the way he's coming. Little Grunter gave me a damn good fight for his size. I thought he was going to be quite a lot bigger. Okay, well, it's been a busy little session. Lots of juvenile fish, and I've had a hell of a lot of fun, but it is time for me to head home. It's pretty much high tide now, probably the last of the push, and I want to get back. And yeah, thanks very much for watching. If you made it this far and you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing so you can catch the next.